Surveying his vast domain, tired and heavy in hand, Poseidon considered the prospect of retirement. What if someone else donned the correct crown so he could spend his immortality harmonizing with the blue whales and causing up hydrothermal vents? Poseidon decided he needs to actually prioritize himself for once. So he summoned his accountant and asked, how much could we sell the ocean for today? Poseidon Poseidon accountant and top-ranked financial analyst to the broad movement shakers. It's a little titan of industry. He handled all divine assets. When it comes to boiling complex system of intrinsic value down to monetary sums, he's the guy. And he's actually got a potential buyer. Hades is interested in building his real estate portfolio and expanding his domain into marine realms. So the accountant already appraised the ocean's market value and prepared quick presentation. The property covers over 70% of Earth's surface, but it is also quite voluminous. Poseidon noticed he does annual marine train swims with sea cucumbers, but before he gets his best giant squid story, the accountant is back at analysis. Marine shipping alone accounts for 80% of global trade, generating over $14 trillion annually. The global fishing industry provides over 3 billion people with a significant amount of dietary protein, employs an estimated 260 million, and generates about $163 billion every year. And oil and budding seabed mining industries generate around $245 billion per year. Some of the ocean assets are harder to quantify mentally. The ocean observed around 30% of human-generated carbon dioxide, and since 1955 has taken in more than 90% of excess heat. About 40% of humanity live within 100 kilometers of the ocean. Coastal ecosystem buffer waves, reduce erosion, and ease flooding, preventing over $16 billion in damages annually. Many cultures have deep ties to the ocean, and coastal views and recreation improve mental health. Meanwhile, it's estimated that undiscovered marine-derived cancer treatments could save countless lives, be worth up to $5.7 trillion. The ocean generates half the planet's oxygen and directly or indirectly provides food, energy, and minerals to all life on Earth. Salty tears cascade down Poseidon's face, and the accountant ignores. He can't give a total cost yet because, of course, recent development must be factored in. Climate change is heating, acidifying the oxygen in the ocean, and the trash is polluting it. Overfishing, aggressive seabed resource extraction are disrupting fragile ecosystems and impacting the ocean productivity. The accountant says, "Size, buddy, you shouldn't worry though, because we can grow the ocean investment value. Coral reef tourism already yields approximately $36 billion annually. Considering the revenue of popular dive sites and the regional shark population lifespans. Considering the revenue of popular dive sites and the regional shark population lifespans, researchers estimate that one shark can generate almost $2 million in its lifetime, making them much more valuable alive than dead. Sustainable management of fisheries could Sustainable management fisheries could allow species to rebound, bringing in additional $83 billion annually. And with growth in offshore wind, tidal, and wave energy harvesting, the ocean is poised to help humanity quit fossil fuels. Now the ground reveal. The count and conclusion are similar to those of motor experts. The ocean alone is worth roughly $24 trillion at least, about a quarter of the World Bank's valuation on global economy in 2021. But if humanity reinvests in ocean health, fishing sustainably, decarbonized fishing, But if humanity reinvests in ocean health, fishing sustainably, decarbonized shipping, scaling offshore wind farms, and conserving and restoring mangroves, investment could return up to 600% in profits. Poseidon feared the weight of his folly crushing him, like a styrofoam cup 2,000 meters deep. Reducing such a price generously like giving natural system to a number is just another symptom of the greatest problems he's facing nowadays. Though he respects the world, but Haiti does. He doesn't want the ocean to become an extension with the underworld. He can't give it up. Poseidon asks forgiveness and reaffirms his eternal vow to protect the ocean. It will take him a few title cycles to realize Hades and the accountant were bluffing and see what this really was, a much needed intervention by a duo of deities who care deeply about him and the world.